I'm Mike Wilson with AmericanMuscle.com. I'm here with a K&N cold air intake kit for the 2005 to 2009 Mustang V6. We're going to show you what kind of horsepower and torque numbers you can expect when combined with a Bama Performance 93 octane race tune. Before we do that though, we're going to show you a stock dyno run to get some baseline horsepower and torque numbers. Stock, our 2005 V6 automatic put down 172 horsepower and 196 foot-pounds of torque. The K&N cold air intake kit replaces your factory restrictive air box with a large diameter reusable air filter and a one-piece inlet tube that incorporates the mass air housing, making it an easy installation. You also notice increased horsepower, torque, acceleration, and a throaty engine sound. Now we're going to install this cold air intake, which should take less than an hour and can be done with simple hand tools you have at home. Along with the cold air intake, we also install one of our 93 octane Bama race tunes. A custom tune from Bama Performance adjusts engine parameters to maximize your performance through optimized air-fuel ratio, spark advance, enhanced throttle response, and for automatics, increased shift firmness and adjustable shift points. Now let's make another dyno run and see what kind of horsepower and torque numbers we get. We installed the K&N cold air intake kit along with a Bama Performance tune, and our car put down 186 horsepower and 217 foot-pounds of torque, while gaining as much as 18 horsepower and 27 foot-pounds of torque throughout the curve. So we installed a K&N cold air intake kit and our Bama Performance tune, all in under an hour's time using simple hand tools, and picked up as much as 18 horsepower and 27 foot-pounds of torque.